Hello everyone, this is Abdel Gumi. So this is the video for the final project. Um, so first, I'm gonna go ahead and showcase the measure.txt file. It is empty, so there's nothing written in this file. Um, Second, I will go ahead and showcase the code that I have right here for the program. Okay, let's see here. So I do have here the system IO, so that's the one that would do the write-in files and stuff. And right here, I have the code for the clear button. That's the button that would clear the label that shows the conversion results, as well as clears the text box, the input box where the user would input their calculations. And then I have it set the radio button that converts inches to meters to true. So that way, automatically it would set to true. I also have here the code um, that has the focus on the text box immediately either as the form loads or after clicking the clear button. Okay, right here in this code, this is the code that checks for the validation, input validation. It checks here if there is like any uh, number that's entered that is less than zero, it's going to throw this error message right here, asking the user to enter a positive number. And if they enter anything other than a positive number, then that very same message is going to be thrown. So this is the logic for that function, the check input function. I also have here the code for the list box for so that way as soon as the um, program loads, the list box is going to be empty. I'm talking about this list box right here. So as soon as the code, the program loads, then that box is going to be empty. Right here is the logic for the convert button, this button right here, the convert. So this is how the conversion is done. I'm just gonna leave it quick here. This is the conversion for inches to meters. And then I just have the message that's going to be outputted. Um, be transferred into a string and to output the message um, in a 3 decimal value. This is also the same thing here that applies for meters to inches. Okay, right here I have the code for the save results button. This button right here, the button that would save the results to the list box. So I have it right here. As first that it's going to be set as empty, and then as soon as it's set, then it's going to save the results there. And then this code right here is for clearing the list button. Talking about this button right here, the clear list. We'll see how that one is going to operate, but it's very basic. It just sets the list box to empty, and then it clears the label. The label right here that shows under the clear results. That's the one that says how many entries were saved to the file. The clear list button also clears that, and it sets it to just being empty. And then this is the code for saving to file button. So it saves directly to the measures that text file, and then it just saves it. and the label. I have the label right here that shows the entries. So as soon as the save to file button is clicked, then it's going to show how many entries were in the list box and how many of them were saved. So let's go ahead first and start the program and see how it's going to work. Okay, right here. So as we can see, the focus is immediately set to the input box where the user is going to be inputting their numbers. And we also have the radio button inches to meters set automatically as soon as the form loads. So we can try the conversion with an empty box. That's going to throw this error message right here. The entry is not valid. Please enter a valid number. And we can try right here using letters. So we can enter that and then click convert. Also, the same thing, it says the entry is not valid. Please enter a valid number. And then we can try a negative number. So negative 12. Click on convert. Same error message right here. The entry is not valid. Please enter a positive number. And then we can try with the valid number. So the number of 14 right here. So the inches to meters is clicked. Then we click convert. So right here, it says 14 inches is 0.356 meters. Then we click save results button. So it saves it right here and it shows the result saved over there. Then we click on clear results button. So it clears that label as well as the input box, but it leaves the list box as it is. So we can enter the next entry right here. So 15 inches to meters, click on convert, and it gives us the result right here in this label. And then we click save results. So it saves it right here under the 14 inches save. And then next we try the entry of 3 meters to inches. So 3 meters to inches, click on convert. That's going to give us 118 inches, 110. And then click on save results. That saves the results right here. And then we can enter a decimal, so 0.91 meters to inches. Button is selected. Click on convert, then that also converts it and shows the result right here. We click on save results. So right now we have 4 entries. Then we go ahead and click on the save to file button and it shows right here, saved 4 entries to file, measures dot text as required. Then when we click the clear list button, then the list box and the label are both cleared. So thank you so much.